Alright, welcome into the show. Creative Crypto here. And I have another airdrop video for you guys. Full tutorial on how you can potentially secure your spot for a free crypto airdrop that could potentially be worth up to tens of thousands of dollars. So if that interests you, I recommend you watch this video and complete the tasks that I share in this video in order to potentially make yourself eligible for this airdrop upcoming this year. If this is your first time seeing an airdrop video and wondering what this is all about, the way this crypto airdrop works is it's a new way that these crypto projects are rewarding early and active users of their protocols. Instead of the traditional methods with having an ICO round, an initial coin offering, a private sale, and a pre-sale, where you actually have to invest in the protocol first before it's created. In this new day and age, these protocols are getting venture capital outside funding to create their blockchains, and they're allowing everyday users like you and me to test out their blockchain technology on a testnet and then rewarding those users with free real crypto on their blockchain. The most famous airdrop, of course, was Uniswap back in the day, which was a decentralized exchange where you could trade just with your MetaMask wallet. That was the first big airdrop of the time. Now today, there's actual entire blockchains that are airdropping their currency to the users, which is great for us because we can use their testnets for free and not have to pay any actual crypto in order to do so. So the project that I'm going to be talking about this week is called Venom. Now this Venom is not to be confused with the Venom from Spider-Man. This Venom is a blockchain built on the threaded virtual machine. They call it the TVM. It uses dynamic sharding, has 100,000 plus transactions per second with an average transaction fee of 0.3 of a penny. So really awesome there. It also has zero emission policy. The Venom Foundation is registered in Abu Dhabi and is a licensed blockchain platform developer. They teamed up with Iceberg Capital, who invested $1 billion in the new venture fund for Venom. So they are highly funded. They come from a rich area, which in Abu Dhabi. It's got a lot of great things going on here, guys. Now this testnet has been out for a little bit. It's been out since Q4 of last year. So they are still building, but they have a really great system here for the testnet. I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to go through some of the different tasks we can do here in order to make ourselves eligible. So because it's its own blockchain, you need to download the Venom wallet. That will be the first step, guys. So I have a fresh browser here that I'm gonna go through all these tasks and show you guys how to do this. So the first thing, you just want to click on step 1, go to the tasks. And I like the way they organized this testnet because all the different steps and tasks you're gonna have to do are gonna be straight from this website here. And at the end of each task, you mint an NFT, which shows proof that you completed each step. Okay, so the first step is to log in with your Venom wallet. So you're going to need to get the Venom wallet. So first, click Connect Wallet. It's going to recognize that we don't have the wallet, and it's going to send us to the Chrome extension to download the wallet. So just like any wallet, like a MetaMask or any browser extension wallet, you just click Add to Chrome, and it will add it for you. It'll bring up this page here, and we're going to create a new wallet. Okay, so I already have a wallet, so I'm just going through this to show you guys how to do it. But I'm going to create a new wallet here and go through all these steps start to finish. So the rest of this will be pretty self-explanatory. After you create a wallet, you're going to get a seed phrase to write down with 12 different words. Write down each word in order with its number on a piece of paper offline. Never keep it online, always keep it offline. That's how you can restore your wallet if you ever lose your password or something like that. So I'm going to pause my video now and I'm going to create my wallet, and then I'll jump back on and do the next steps. All right, so after you're done, you'll see that. You will click done, and then you will just need to connect your wallet. And now it knows that your wallet's there. There it is there. And we can put that up here. All right, so we are connected. All right, guys, so the next step is to log in with your Twitter account. Now, all you need to do is have an active Twitter account. You can create a separate Twitter account for this. You don't have to use your main Twitter account, but just make sure you're already logged into your Twitter account that you want to use in this same web browser. So So you're just gonna click on login with Twitter. And then once you sync your Twitter account, it'll ask you to authorize it. Click a button, it'll take you back here, and you'll see that this has been completed. So now you just need to follow the Venom Foundation. So after you click follow on them, click check, and task completed. All right, so that is the first step done. Now you can claim your 50 Venom on the testnet. Okay, what you're gonna wanna do is click claim. It's gonna bring up on your wallet. All you have to do is put your password in, sign, and it will process those tokens. Now, sometimes this can take up to 24 hours or so. It did for me for my first wallet, but it looks like this one went right through. So you can see I have my 50 Venom right there, ready to go. Okay, now we can continue with the tasks. So now step 2 is we're gonna go to our first task, which is over here. It's on the same page. Basically, we're gonna complete this task here, which is connecting the Telegram, subscribing to the YouTube channel. So with this one, you actually just need to click follow, and you don't actually have to go through with it. You just click on the buttons and you can see that it will go through. So then we're gonna mint our first NFT. Put your password in and click confirm transaction, and that'll be processing to mint our first NFT. All right, success. There's our first NFT right there, minted. So next task. So it's pretty simple, guys. You don't even have to use the sheet after this because it's pretty self-explanatory. You're basically just going through each of these, and when we get to a few of these down here, I'll show you which ones are working and which ones aren't. I'll do a few to show you, but the big thing is you want to do these 3 for sure. Okay, so you want to do that first one I showed you and then these next 3. So what you're going to want to do next is send some Venom tokens to this wallet address. Click copy, and we just need to send 1. You don't have to send very many. Okay, we'll just click paste that in there, amount 1. Okay, and put our password in, confirm the transaction, and then it'll be sending away. All right, successfully sent. Click check, and that one's done. So now we'll mint the next NFT. I recommend just writing your password down on a notepad and copying it so you can just paste it in easily to the wallet, because even if you click that little button that says remember password, it still makes you type it in every time. So it's easier to just copy and paste. You can see that one is done. Okay, so we're on to step 4, which is basically just the next task right here. Okay, so there's 3 steps, or basically 2 steps. Is you're going to follow the Telegram channel, same thing. You can just click follow and it'll be done there. Now we need to swap some tokens on the test net here. So we're going to click on that. We'll go to testnet swap, connect our wallet, click connect. We're connected there. See our Venom here. So you just want to swap for anything, it doesn't matter. Okay, we'll just do 1 for 1. Click swap. Your password and the transaction will go through. It's done processing. Doing the swap here on the DEX. Transaction sent. All right, and then you'll notice the balances will change in a second once this is done pending. Transaction successful. There it is. Okay, so now I'll go back over here, click check. That one's done, and we'll mint the NFT. Just confirm transaction with your password, and it'll be minting the NFT. So you can see, guys, it's pretty easy how they have this set up. It's pretty streamlined. So you can go through, and these are the major ones that you want to hit that I put in the task sheet up there. Okay, so that one's done. We'll go back to the projects. So the last step is just complete the other tasks. Okay, now the big one you want to do is this bridge, and we'll do a couple other one of these that are easy. I'll just show you. Okay, but pretty self-explanatory, guys, and I'll just go through this one here because this is the bridge, which is pretty interesting because they do have testnet tokens that are live for trading on Binance Smart Chain. So I'll show you how to do this because this is a little involved here. Okay, we'll click on that. We'll go back. That one went through. Okay, next task here is to transfer tokens from the Venom chain to an EVM chain, which is basically Binance Smart Chain, where they have test Venom right now. Okay, so we'll try to do that. It's not going to work, but we'll go as far as we can to get to that point. It does work going from Binance Smart Chain to Venom, but going from Venom to Binance Smart Chain, it wasn't working for me before, but maybe that's changed. So first, we're going to need to connect our MetaMask wallet. So make sure you're logged into your MetaMask wallet on Binance Smart Chain, and you have a little bit of Binance. coin in your wallet, because I'll show you how to get the testnet on the Binance Smart Chain, and then we're going to connect our Venom wallet. So now that both are connected, we can do the bridge. So you can see this is going from Binance Smart Chain to Venom, but if we wanted to go from Venom to Binance Smart Chain, we can try to do it, but let's see if it does, if it lets us. Okay, so basically just approve the transfer. You're going to need to do 3 of these. Now we'll see if it works, but you just need to get to the farthest point in order to be able to complete the task on this form. Okay, so that one will pending and go through. All right, it's going to the second step now. I didn't have to do anything, it's just doing it automatically. Takes a little bit of time to do this. All right, so that confirmed. It took about a couple minutes, and then see, this one won't work to actually transfer it, but that's okay. That's all you need to do for now. You can click check and it'll say that it's completed. I think because they don't want people just transferring the tokens over and dumping them on the Binance Smart Chain, because it actually is live trading on PancakeSwap. Okay, so next step is we're going to transfer from the EVM chain to Venom. Now this one does work, guys, and we'll do that right now, okay, because that's a little bit detailed, and you're going to need to get some test Venom first on the Binance Smart Chain, because it says that we have 0. So the contract address I will leave in the description. I'll actually put it in the sheet as well, okay? And when you log into PancakeSwap, okay, just get some test Venom. Just get like 5 or so. You don't need that many, and complete the swap. Basically, you're just having to pay for gas, about 20 cents or so. Binance Smart Chain, right? So I'll add that to the wallet. Test Venom. All right, transaction confirmed. See our test Venom right here. Basically, one test Venom is 1 cent or so. Back over here, okay, and it should populate with our test Venom. Let's just refresh the page. There it is, showing the 5 balance. So we'll put the max in, and so this is going to go from Binance Smart Chain to our Venom wallet. All right, so click continue. You need to approve the transfer in the MetaMask first. Got to pay for the gas again. So technically, you do need a little bit of Binance for gas on this one if you want to complete this task. You know, less than $1 though, so it shouldn't be too bad. I'm sure most people have a little bit of Binance Smart Chain just sitting around. If you don't have it, you can just skip this step, or you can get some with Change Now. You can go to Change Now and get some Binance Smart Chain to your wallet. But I'm assuming most people watching this video have probably used Binance Smart Chain and MetaMask before. But if you haven't, there's a lot of tutorials available to help with that. Like I said, this task right here isn't mandatory. It's extra, but it's definitely something that I think will give you more points, because you want to try to complete as many of those tasks as you can. So wait for this to confirm. Okay, so that one just went through, took a couple minutes. Now we're going to approve the transfer from our Venom wallet, but confirm transaction after putting in your password. This one should go faster because it's on Venom. Then after that, I think we should be good to go. All right, it's being checked by the relayers, and then it's going to release transfer to the Venom testnet. So pretty cool. This is also a way to get more Venom testnet if you need it. You can see transaction success received. You can see our balance went up there. So really great. This bridge is working well. So this is great that this is working, because this is important to have a good bridge like this, because if we do get this airdrop, we're going to want to cash out some of this back to, Binance Smart Chain or Ethereum, and hold some there, buy some Bitcoin and some other major cryptos. Of course, we're going to keep some on the Venom blockchain as well to use their ecosystem, because they have a lot of stuff, guys, a ton of stuff already being made on this, as you can see here. So we'll click check. That one's done. We'll mint the NFT from the transaction. Wait for that to process. Congratulations, minted the NFT. All right, so we'll go back to the projects, guys. Now, as you can see, there is a lot here. Okay, there's a lot. It can be a little overwhelming at first, but you don't have to complete these all in one day. Take a couple days, half an hour a day, and just breeze through some of these. Okay, and I'll show you on my other account too which ones that don't work, so you don't waste your time, because there are some of these that you can't get to the full completion because for whatever reason they're not actually working. All right, so we'll complete a couple more of these because these are easy. So we just need to stake some Venom here, so that's easy enough. And basically we're going to stake some Venom. So you can see, guys, how robust this ecosystem is already on the testnet. Okay, it's really, really cool stuff. I'm really liking what I see here from Venom, because that's the big thing with launching a new blockchain, is to have different DeFi applications for people to use, because that's how you're going to make your chain valuable over time. Okay, so we'll just stake one Venom here on the transaction there, transaction sent. So now we're going to get ST Venom, which is staked Venom. And I'm sure there will be yield farming and things where you can then stake this staked Venom inside of that and earn on top of that, just like they have this on Solana and also Celestia. Very similar to this, except this is paying pretty good. Now this is just testnet stats. As you can see, if you want to unstake, you would just unstake your ST Venom. All right, so we'll click check. So that's been done. We'll mint the NFT. Good to go. Back here, I'll do one more here for you guys. We'll do this NFT one, and this is only 2 steps. Basically, you just have to tweet. Easy. You don't really have to tweet it. You just click there. All right, we'll mint the NFT. All right, guys, pretty self-explanatory. I'm sure you guys get the hang of this now by how this works. You just go through each task and complete the steps, whether it's interacting with the actual application or just following on Twitter, this and that. Okay, so you definitely want to do some more of these, like Gravix. This one's the perpetual swap. Okay, you can do this one to burn some Venom. Chain Spot, this is a good one, really good one. This is another bridge. Okay, so if you ever need some more test Venom, you can go over here to get test Venom, and same thing. You just click follow, you just go back, click check, it'll go through, claim your test Venom transaction, and you'll get some more test Venom. Now, if you actually do want to follow these, you can, if you want to keep in touch with this stuff, but it works without actually having to. All right, so that's basically it, guys. And like I said, just take a couple minutes every day, do a couple of these. You don't have to try to knock them all out in one sitting. It is a lot. It does get pretty repetitive, but it is just cool to see how much stuff they already have built on Venom, which is really great, because this is going to be what you're going to need to grow this blockchain and this ecosystem. Okay, they even have some more stuff coming up here. You can see your completed projects there. Okay, so we did 6 of them. And let me show you my other account, and I'll show you which ones to avoid on these to not waste your time, and which ones you can actually fully complete. All right, guys, so this is my main wallet here. You can see I did 15 projects completed. Got these NFTs. Now these ones are the ones to avoid that you can't fully complete. At least I couldn't. Maybe you have more luck than me, but some of these actually don't work all the way to finish. Okay, so avoid these ones, but these ones all work, and these ones I recommend all doing. Okay, the Venom Pad, Sniper, Gravix, Venom Burn, Segment, Chain Spot, Everplay, Ventori, and Clustex. Those ones you can all do for a total of 15. Overall, I'm really bullish on this blockchain here, because it has super fast transactions, super cheap to use. It's already got a nice ecosystem of DeFi applications being built on it, built on the testnet, ready to go when mainnet goes live. You can check out the Venom Foundation website. Okay, you can see that they have a lot of stuff going into this, guys. Right, they're continuing to build. If you're a developer, you can learn how to build on this ecosystem as well. Okay, and you can check out some of their docs down here. And like I said, overall, there's just a lot of use cases for this. There's going to be a lot of use cases, and the great thing is you don't have to invest any real money to get started with this. This is all on a testnet. All you are doing is investing your time to do these tasks on the testnet, and in doing that, you could potentially get rewarded with a nice airdrop of Venom tokens when the mainnet goes live. No guarantees. If it doesn't happen, then jump on the Venom mainnet early and start using it, and eventually I think an airdrop will be in the works. I do think the team will be airdropping to the testnet users, but if they don't, there's also ways we can get the airdrop, guys. So I really think there will be an airdrop of Venom in some way, shape, or form. I'm hoping it's to the testnets for us so we can get in early and start using this. So that's it for this week's airdrop tutorial video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys are able to complete the tasks. If you have any questions, leave them below in the comments. I'll try to answer your question the best I can. Hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more airdrop videos in the future, because I am on a mission here in 2024 to find the best airdrops to get in now. So at the end of 2024, quarter 3 and 4, we're getting these airdrop tokens. It may take some time, but we will get them, and we can potentially turn $0 into tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars. That's my goal, to make $100,000 off of crypto airdrops in 2024. And I also want my audience, you guys, to do the same thing. So if that interests you, I recommend you subscribe and follow along to this journey, because I am going to try to find the best airdrops to make us the most money in 2024. So thank you for everybody supporting the channel. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you to everybody that leaves a thumbs up and a comment down below. I really do appreciate that. It really motivates me and helps me to make more videos for you guys and share how to do these different protocols. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope we make a nice airdrop off this one in the future. And until the next time we will talk again, take care and take charge. Creative Crypto out.